Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Desmond with I Review the Fly, coming to bring you some fresh, dope kicks today, guys. And we are talking about, matter of fact, let's just talk about it. You know when there's a company, when Nike making, and the company I'm talking about is Nike. You know when a company like Nike know they got a lock on the marketplace, when they literally can just put out anything anything that they're going to invest their money in, and they know it's going to sell, guys. So there's a reason why I said that, and the reason why I'm saying that is because I don't know what was on their bird to put these shoes out, but the crazy part is they're gonna sell out. And I'm talking about, as you just read the title when you came across this, I am talking about the Nike Dunk X Ambush Cosmic Future. And yes, we are talking drip, flip, or skip. Me personally, I think the shoes should be named Nike Dunk Calamine Lotion. I think the shoes should be named Nike Dunk Pepto-Bismol. I think the shoes should be named Nike Dunk Pink Nightmare. I think the shoes should be named Nike Dunk Pink Friday. Shout out to oh my god, man. Shout out to Nicki Minaj with the Pink Friday joint. Anyhow, guys, let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. Yes, I'm talking about the Nike Dunk Ambush Cosmic Fuchsia. Yeah, I didn't say future, even though they look some crap you probably wear in the future. I am talking about the Cosmic Fuchsia. First of all, we can get right on to it. The drip, yo. First, I showed these shoes to my wife, and my wife like, who the hell gonna wear these shoes? And I told her, they're dunks, babe. They got the wave. You'll be surprised. They're gonna sell out like in seconds. That's it. Dripping them. Now, me personally, first of all, I'm not gonna wear any pink shoes. I'm sorry, I ain't built like that. You know, I'll wear a pink polo. I'll wear a pink dress shirt with a nice tie, suit, whatever, but I ain't wearing no pink shoes. You can forget that. Anyhow, so obviously these shoes got to be for the females. You know, if you want to wear some fuchsia shoes, pink shoes, fuchsia, that's fine with you. You want to wear the Pepto-Bismols, that's cool, whatever. So with me, first right off the bat, is it a drip? Yeah, possibly if you choose to wear them. I wouldn't try to drip them. My wife said she wouldn't try to drip them. No. Is it a skip? Heck no. Why is it not a skip? Because Dunks got the wave. The Dunk got the wave now. People are absolutely Dunk crazy, and it's still crazy to me considering the fact that my wife and I used to go to the Nike outlet back in the day, and we would cop Dunks for $29. We would just go to Nike outlets and just get Dunks, some to flip, and we keep a pair for ourselves. And I know people keep saying, well, you keep saying you got this Dunk collection. We're gonna put our Dunk collection out one day. It's not a big Dunk collection, but we got a Dunk collection. So anyhow, is it a skip? Yeah, to me it would be a skip if you're trying to get them just to wear. But now the question is, are they a flip? And before we even get into it, I'm gonna just be real with you. Like I said, Nike Dunks got the wave right now. So yes, it's definitely gonna be a flip. The question is, how much of a flip is it really going to be? So we're going to go ahead and jump right in it and see what the resale value, the resale prediction should be on these shoes, that if you do get to cop them on the sneakers app and see what you can make off of them, because that's the only reason I'm trying to get them, right? To be honest with you, they're $180 to come out February 4th. That's the only reason I'm going for them, is definitely for the flip. So let's get right into it. Let's go ahead and go down that rabbit hole and see what the flip is looking like on these shoes already. Y'all, this is Desmond, Mr. Eye Catch Pips. If you've been struggling to learn how to become a successful day trader, or you've been interested in learning how to become a successful Forex day trader, just go to the website right across this video, guys. Take a look at the website, get started with us, and let's help you become a successful independent Forex day trader. Take care. All right, guys, I am back. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. First of all, let's go to the sneakers app so you can know exactly what I'm talking about. Once again, on the sneakers app, there you go, the Nike Dunk High Ambush Cosmic Fuchsia. I call them the Pepto-Bismols. Like I said, $180 for the shoes. They dropped February 4th at 10 o'clock in the morning. This is a butt ugly shoe, and they had the audacity to actually put neon green in the sole of the shoes. Just go to show you that Nike know when they got the wave on something, they pretty much put at anything and people will buy it. Of course, I'm trying to cop them because I want to flip them. Because why? Nike Dunk's got the wave right now. Now let's see what kind of wave is going to bring for us. So let's hop on over to that StockX app. Waiting for it to pull on up. Let's go ahead. Search the shoes. Dunk. There they go right there. Boom. Last sale, $487 on them. Shoes cost $180. So, could have made you, about $200 profit right there. Let's view all sales right quick. Only 2 pairs have been sold thus far. And of course, it's a size 9. Let's look at what the prices are going for on all different sizes. I mean, you're talking $1,200 is what they're asking on a size 4. A size 15, almost 2 bands. And my size 509, 9.5, 510, 10, 489. Basically, guys, with the ass price right here, man, if somebody willing to pay it, you're going to be able to make you a nice little come up. Now, here's the thing. That's the ass price. What we really want to look at is the sale. So in other words, if somebody's always saying, well, I'm willing to pay this for the shoe, you got a buyer saying, I'm willing to pay this amount for the shoe, you can go ahead and maybe get that quick flip. In my size, $434. That means at the fees and everything, I'll probably clear about $400 minus the $180 and the taxes I paid for them. I'll probably make a little $90 something. So that's a nice profit. Now, if I'm willing to hold on to them, which I think I will hold on to them too, because I know people are dunk crazy right now and they're gonna spend more for it. So I'm gonna try to hold out and see if I can get that $600-700, maybe $800 off of these shoes. But you see the prices right here: size 4, 601, 4.5, 600, 5, 701, 5.5, 560. I mean, you can pause the screen and see what the prices are right here, guys. I mean, is it a profit margin? Heck yeah, it's profit margin on there. So that's on StockX. Let's go ahead and see what GOAT talking about on these same joints, man. All right, let's go ahead. Dunk. There you go. There go them Pink Fridays sitting right there. So yo, like I said, man, in my size, they on for sale right now for $550, 9.5, 789, 10, 6, 15, 8.5, 515, 8, 887, 7.5, 800, a 7, 1549, 6.5, 1452. Basically, if you can get the sizes that are not, and there's not a whole lot of those being made, you're going to be able to make some bank on these shoes, baby. It is definitely worth the investment for the flip, guys. Like I said, somebody going to wear them. Be pinked out. Just be all pink everything. Somebody going to wear them, for the drip. Me personally, I would skip on it, but that to each his own. So, as you see, guys, they definitely is a flippable shoe, guys. So it's something that you definitely want to go ahead and cop. All right, guys. Well, that's it. Let's go ahead and close this video on out. Be right back. All right, guys. There you go. There you have it. You seen it. The Pink Fridays, actually the Cosmic Fuchsias. Yo, they definitely gonna flip. They definitely got a profit margin on them, guys. What can I say? Don'ts have the wave, like I said before. They are going to make money. So guys, if you're in it for making some extra income, there you have it. This is definitely a pair of shoes you would want to try for. As a matter of fact, if you can find you some other places that has raffles for them, which I will be looking for to get into, because if I can get multiple pairs of these at the prices that they're selling for, I'm definitely gonna be able to make me some extra bank, and that's what it's all about, guys. Once again, heck no, I wouldn't try to wear these shoes. First of all, I don't even rock like that. I don't want to give no mixed signals at all. Them shoes is ugly. And the big fuchsia, why? Clearly, even though Nike making them unisex shoes, they are for females. And I don't want to discriminate against the Me Too movements. I definitely wouldn't try to put these shoes on my feet. Yo, next thing, guys, is it a skip? Why would you skip on them when you can make money off of them? Unless you just don't want to make money. Me, I want to make money off of them. So yeah, I'm not skipping on these at all. I will be right there suited and booted, waited for the 10 o'clock time to pop off, and hopefully Sneaker app won't be acting stupid with me so I can make that cop and get that flip. Anyhow, guys, you know what it is. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Also, click the subscribe button on my channel, and when you get through clicking the subscribe button, click on the bell in the bottom right corner so that you get my notifications right across your phone when I put out new content. At any rate, guys, this is Desmond with I Review the Fly, signing off. Peace and bye-bye for now. And oh yeah, no matter what, baby, stay fly. Let's go. Aha!